Welcome my dear students in 7th class. We learn subject mathematics. We completed chapter 5. We start chapter number 6 indices. Today we learn part number 6.3 rules of indices. We have learned 4 rules in section 6.2. In this section we will learn the next 5 rules of indices. Let's start rule number 5. Negative power of a number. The meaning of index form a minus m into m, a minus m into am, a raised to m, 1 upon a raised to m. When a raised to minus 1 is the multiplicative inverse form of a number. 1 a raised to minus m, a raised to 1 upon a raised to m. A raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a raised to 1. Let us look at some examples based on this rule. Y raised to minus 4 is equal to 1 upon y raised to 4. 1 upon 8 raised to 2. 1 upon 5 raised to 4. 1 upon b raised to 3. When negative index, we should write that number in denominator place as positive index. Multiplicative inverse form. Rule number 6. The index of the product of two numbers. For example, 2 into 3 raised to 4. 2 multiply 4 times and 3 multiply 4 times. 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. A, B raised to m. A raised to m and b raised to m. 5 into 3 raised to 2. 5 into 5, 3 into 3, 5 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 2. Here we want to write the exponent for each number. 7. The index of the quotient of two numbers. 4 upon 5 raised to 3. 4 multiply 3 times. 5 multiply 3 times. 4 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3. Here we want to write the exponent for each number. Some examples on this rule. X upon y raised to n, 10 upon 12 raised to 4. 8 upon 9 raised to 3. 8 raised to 3, 9 raised to 3. Rule number 8. The power of a number in index form. A raised to m, am raised to n. For example, 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 2 raised to 3. 5 raised to 2 3 times. 5 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 2, 5 raised to 6. Therefore, 5 raised to 2 raised to 3 is equal to 5 raised to 2 into 3 is equal to 5 raised to 6. Multiply 2 index. Negative power of index form. 7 raised to minus 2 raised to minus 5. 7 raised to minus 2 into minus 5. 7 raised to minus plus 10. 7 raised to 10. 6 raised to minus 3 into minus 4. 6 raised to minus 3 into minus 4. 6 raised to plus 12, 6 raised to 12. When negative index, negative, negative, positive index. Next example is 1 negative power of index form 7 raised to minus 2 into 5 minus plus minus 7 raised to minus 10. It is converted into inverse multiplication 1 upon 7 raised to 10. Second, 6 raised to minus 4 raised to 2 minus 4 into 2 6 raised to minus 8. This is converted into multiplicative inverse form 1 upon 6 raised to 8. Third example, 2 raised to 5 raised to minus 3. 5 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15. Multiplicative inverse 1 upon 2 raised to 15. Rule number 9. The negative power of rational numbers. A upon a raised to minus m. Multiplicative inverse b upon a raised to m. Here convert into multiplicative inverse. We say examples of this rule. 5 upon 3 raised to minus 2. Multiplicative inverse 1 upon 5 upon 3 raised to 2. Multiplicative 3 upon 5 raised to 2. 2 upon 5 raised to 4. Here convert into multiplicative inverse 5 upon 2 raised to 4. The negative power of rational number convert into a multiplicative inverse form and write positive index. Let us see some examples based on this rule. First, 7 upon 5 raised to minus 6. Multiplicative inverse convert 5 upon 7 raised to 6. 1 upon 8 raised to minus 3. 8 upon 1 raised to 3. X upon y raised to minus 2. Y upon x raised to 2. When index is minus, we convert into multiplicative inverse and write down positive index. In this part, we learn 5 rules of indices. I hope you have understood these 5 rules of today and previous 4 rules. Remember these 9 indices rules properly. Today's homework. Practice set 29, question 1 and question 2. Write the laws of indices on page number 48. Thanks my students. Stay at home, stay safe and study regularly. Thank you.